MakeInspires.
I'm Travis, founder of MakeInspires. For nearly a decade, our makerspaces have been a community hub for creativity and innovation. Our Mamaroneck location is a great example, serving as our flagship and a cornerstone of the local community. Inside and outside of these walls, we inspire big ideas and raise the bar for what after-school STEAM can be. When schools partner with MakeInspires for STEAM programs, they're looking for more than enrichment. They want real impact, genuine expertise, and people who truly love what they do. What sets us apart from typical after-school providers is this. At MakeInspires, we don't just teach. We are makers. We use the tools and subjects that we teach every day, here at work and at home. When you bring MakeInspires into your after-school program, students can tell the difference right away. Real projects, passionate instructors, and lasting inspiration. We're deeply rooted in each community we serve, committed to our students and to helping them find their passion. Let's inspire creativity together, one project at a time.